This is topic C on page 103, using styles to streamline repetitive formatting tasks.
You've used some helpful tools for repetitive formatting tasks, such as Format Painter, Repeat Format, and Find and Replace. While these tools are quite helpful in many circumstances, they do have some limitations. Word styles can help you get repetitive formatting tasks under control. A word style is a combination of multiple formats. A single style might include text formatting options, so different font typefaces, colors, and effects, and then also paragraph formatting options, which include line spacing, borders, shading, and so forth. You can use built-in styles provided by the template you choose when you created a new document. You can modify the built-in styles or create new custom styles to meet your specific needs. Some benefits of word styles include the following. Provides an efficient way to apply multiple formats to a selection with just a single command. To support consistency of formatting within a document by automatically updating the appearance of all formatted instances in the document when the format of the style changes. And support consistency of formatting across multiple documents by enabling you to save styles and templates, which can be shared by multiple documents and multiple users. So on your Home tab in your Styles command group, here we have a gallery of styles. And you can select your More button, which is this down arrow at the bottom, to display the whole entire gallery. So this has some examples of styles shown here. If I select my first heading of video, I can click to apply heading 1, and you can see it applies just how that text looks in the styles gallery to my text here. Now, if I want to know what's actually in that style set, I can click on my styles dialog box launcher, and this opens up my styles task pane. This lists all the styles that are up in this gallery as well. But if I hover over it, it tells me exactly what's applied. You can see it tells me the font is just the default of Calibri Light, but it's size 16. The font color is accent 1. And the paragraph formatting, it tells me the spacing before is 12 points, after is 0, line and page breaks, keep with next, keep lines together, and so on and so forth. So it tells me what's actually included in that. Now, in your styles task pane, you can see these different styles have symbols to the right of them. This paragraph marker symbol tells me that this particular style only includes paragraph formatting. You can see under the heading of font, it just tells us it's the default. Nothing special about the font. But the paragraph, the alignment is left, line spacing is multiple, 1.08, after spacing is 8 points. And line and page breaks include widow and orphan control, which we'll get into. But this particular style with the paragraph mark only includes paragraph formatting. Now, if you go down and look at subtle emphasis, this shows a character of a letter A. So this is character formatting. This style only includes character formatting. And character formatting is just another way of saying formatting for the font. So you can see under the font heading, it tells us that it's italic with a font color of text 1. Do you see any paragraph formatting here? No, there's not even a heading. This only includes font formatting. And then you have specific styles like the heading 1 that we chose, which has the paragraph marker and the letter A. If I hover over this, it's going to tell us that it has both. It has the font of the default, but it has 16-point font color accent 1. And again, it has different paragraph formatting as well. So that's the difference between all of these symbols. This is paragraph, this is both, which we also call a linked style, and this is character formatting, which only includes changing of fonts. Now, the good thing about these styles, it makes it very easy to apply consistent headings, right? So they have the same formatting here. Also, when you're using heading styles, it makes for quick navigation. If I open my navigation bar and go to my headings tab, I can quickly navigate to specific sections. Now I named all of these video. Let's do video 2 here, video 3 here, and video 4 here. Now, you can see video and video 2 are the only headings that pop up in my navigation pane. This is because I don't have a heading style applied to these two. If I select it, choose heading 1, now it comes up in my navigation pane. And again, it makes for quick navigation to a position in my document. Now, if, let's say, well, yeah, I want to use the heading styles to be able to navigate through my document, but I don't like how it looks. I actually want a bolded, let's say, purple font color for my headings, but I still want the navigation. I can go in to the heading option in my Styles task pane, click this drop-down arrow, and I can modify it. So I can change the font. Maybe I want it to be an Arial black. I want it bolded. I want it 20 points. And I want the font color to be purple. But I only want to change it for this document. So the radio button on the bottom, only in this document, I should have selected. If I do new documents based on this template, it'll change the heading 1 style throughout my whole Word program. I really don't want to do that. So I'm going to click OK from here. Now you can see heading 1 has been changed in my Styles task pane. It's also been changed in my gallery on my ribbon, and it's also been updated in my document. But I still have the navigation option here as well. So now when I apply it to video 4, it's consistent and it adds that navigational option. So it's very good in that respect. You can also create your own styles as well. Let's say I chose this word reading and I added the light blue font. I have it bolded. I have it underlined. I want to make this a style. With this selected, in my Styles task pane, I can click the button for New Style. I can name it whatever I want. I'm just going to name it Example. The style type, I don't want paragraph, I want character. So remember, that's saving the actual font styles, color, font, size, things like that. Not the actual paragraph formatting, which is your alignment and your spacing. So since I have it selected already, I can just name it. It already has my options shown here. I'm going to choose only in this document and click OK. Now look at that. I have the example style in my task pane in my gallery as well. So I could select other text in my document, and if I want that applied, just click on it and I can use it consistently. So that's the great thing about styles, consistency and your navigation options for your heading styles. All right, so we'll take a look at a few.
All right, our next video will be Activity 3-4 on page 106.